Alright guys, welcome to Siam Square Mall, or Icon Siam. This one is huge as well. They love their mega malls here, so we'll see what this one has. Well guys, the hair is wild. It wouldn't be a good vlog if the hair wasn't wild. That means I took some adventures. So far on the inside we just have a lot of nice stores. We're gonna head this way. They have a Zara here. I'm not sure what's back this way. We'll have to figure it out though. I'm definitely getting Millennium Malls from Florida vibes. The Zara behind me, I'm gonna go in a second, but it's two-story. We have a Dior over there, Bath and Body Works. You know what? We'll work top to bottom. Do it opposite right now. And we're heading up to the second floor. We'll probably just head all the way up, honestly. But this mall is giant. Stores I've never heard of, but they look pretty cool. It's definitely like luxury stuff. And then we're back to the 8-story H&M. Probably the biggest one I've ever seen. Well, actually, it for sure is the biggest one I've ever seen. Yeah, this thing is huge. This is just like so much. So this one has a Porsche dealer as well. That's pretty crazy. I don't know what's up with them and putting cars in malls. That's like their signature or something. Oh, these are super cool. All these crystals and stuff. I wonder if they're for sale. Oh, they definitely are for sale. Wow, that's very expensive. That's pretty cool. Alright, so behind me we have a Porsche dealer. And then on the other side we have a Maserati. So I really enjoy seeing these car dealerships in the mall, which is insane, but I definitely like it. Definitely cool for me because I'm a big car guy. But they have a lot of cool stuff. This is crazy. I wonder if anyone's been getting in the back of the shots. I definitely would if I saw someone going around with a camera. Fred Perry's super cool. I see some people like stopping and then I just like try to get them in the camera if they're like moving towards it because I can see they kind of want to. Or they might be hiding. So hopefully they're not hiding and I'm like taking it wrong. But I think it'd be pretty cool to have people like mess around in the back. This vlog is literally going to be like an hour and a half. I'm going to have so much editing. I don't know if I'm going to split this video, and if you guys are watching this, maybe the M-Sphere vlog you saw first, or maybe I put them together. But if I put them together, you guys are going to have pretty much a whole cinema Netflix series of vlogs because how long it is. I mean, just look at that. Like, that is insane. So we got a Uniqlo behind us, and I've heard from like all the influencers and stuff that's like the best blank black tea. I'll drop some sauce. The Goodfellow ones at Target beat every black tea I've tried. I haven't tried Uniqlo though. Maybe I'll have to pick one up on the way back. But we're definitely gonna take a quick tour into H&M because I love H&M. So let's see if they got anything good. The shirt's actually from there, and the shorts. So H&M's usually got the heat, so we'll have to go in there and see. For you, that was no wait, but for me, I went through so much at H&M, and I ended up just getting some black linen pants with like a olive green shirt. It was kind of like a cotton linen blend, I think. I'm not sure, but it's pretty comfortable, so it'd be nice. And I think I'm gonna wear that when I go to the Sky Bar tonight. So that's basically why I got that. And it ended up being 2,400 bahts, so I'll put the conversion in USD on that. But I think it's around 50 or 60 if I'm correct. Maybe, actually a little higher I think. But pretty nice stuff, so I'm not mad about it. And honestly, I'm getting ready to head out because that took so long. I'm not a big shopper. I really don't like shopping, honestly, so the quicker I can get in and out, the happier I am. So I'm gonna look at this G-Shock and then go upstairs and then probably call it a day. We're on the next level, and I thought I might have been heading out after, but I don't know, there's just so much stuff. I don't want to really miss a lot of it. What there is though is like 25 places for suitcases. So if you land in Bangkok and you need a suitcase desperately, come to the ICONSIAM. And I mean, you probably won't get the best deals, but there's thousands of them. Yeah, next time I come, I'm probably gonna buy some shoes, some Reebok or the Nike. But it all depends, honestly. I really don't know. I just gotta figure it out, honestly. Well, runner store. They're very big on running over here. I wonder if there's a lot of running that happens this way. There's some very cool and like unique stores. Yeah, that was definitely not worth the loop. This is literally how big the Polo is. Literally that little side section there. I definitely thought it'd be a bigger store. But there's a lot back here, so maybe we'll go this way and see what there is. This is like Dillard's vibes or something like that. You have some more suitcases, of course. And then you have more suitcases. And you have suits. I want to look at the footwear over there after, but it's super nice over here. A little piano store. That's new. Little pianos. I just saw one of the guys riding around on like the suitcases that have the wheels. Is pretty funny. Yeah, this is like, if you guys need a suitcase, I got the store for you. This one literally has so many. I wonder how much their prices are. Maybe if I see one I like, I'll look at it. But I'm not really seeing anything. No way, does this store have another No way, this is two-story, whatever this is. I think this is like a whole mix of like 50 stores. There's a lot of camping gear over here too. And kayaks. I wonder where you even use, I guess, the river. But I don't know if you'd be like allowed or not. I don't know, pretty cool. Some Speedo underwear. I don't know who in the world rocks those. If you rock those, you gotta pack it up because I don't know. I guess like maybe certain like foreigners from like Europe and stuff. But if I know you and you're rocking those, you're down bad, honestly. Some nice shoes here. I wonder if they have any good loafers. Oh, this honestly was what I was looking for. I wonder what the price is on these. I'm gonna have to check those out. I'm gonna see if they have anything else first. But I've been looking for a pair of those like suede Loro Piano style loafers for so long. And maybe I just found them. Some cool like card holder wallets. Cricket Gum is the brand. What an odd name. Yeah, I'm gonna look at those loafers. I don't see anything else. So let's see. Well, that sucks. I forgot they don't really carry bigger sizes over here. So their biggest was 10.5 and I wear 12. So I should have realized, but I mean it was worth a shot. And it was $33.90 baht, so not a bad price, but too small. So if they had my size, I for sure would have gotten them, but that's unfortunate. I've been wanting a pair of those for so long now, and I just haven't been able to find them. And anyway, these Birkenstocks I got them are killing my feet, like on my ball of my right foot. That's like so worn out that's like rubbing and causing a blister. I don't know. Well, the uncomfortable part just reminded me on the motorbikes that I've been taking, it's horrible for my hips because my hips are so tight. So I have very tight hips, and that doesn't go well with sitting on the back of like the motorbike for more than 5 minutes. And then I started cramping up at one spot, and when I was cramping up, it was pretty bad. I wanted to jump off and walk the rest of the way, but I mean it was fine. So we got some people waving in the back. I love to see it. Oh man, I really want to buy one of those like rolly suitcases just for like the fun of it, because I feel like it'd be so funny. I don't see anything else that way or that way, like just normal stores. So we'll rotate up and then see if we see anything else. Okay, so this is like the food area. I want to get over to that like waterfall thing. The vibe in here is super sick. That's really fun. You be careful. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera. I'll hold it up and show you guys. That looks super cool. The vibe in here is crazy though. It's like a jungle theme, like kind of like Hard Rock Cafe if you guys have been there. But that's super sick. Look at that photo of it, the ICONSIAM behind me. That's super cool. I'm gonna have to go. There's a balcony right outside there, so I'm gonna have to go there after. But look at that water thing. That's so cool. Yeah, the like modernness and like tech that's over here is really crazy. It's a lot higher end. I was supposed to take the ferry today, but I'm gonna have to leave that for another video because I still got so much more left up here. And then, so this is like the art museum. Yeah, I still got a lot to explore here. So let's see what there is. Some really cool stuff up here. There's some nice paintings up here. I'm not a really big art guy for most of this stuff. Like there's certain designs, of course, that I'm a fan of, but not everything, honestly. I'm not even gonna really go to the back because I'm honestly ready to head out. Some girls taking photography. That's pretty cool to see. Yeah, I'm gonna go down a level and then show you guys the like outdoor patio. Sometimes these escalators are super sketchy though. Like they rumble and like make weird sounds. And I'm quite high up, so if I went down, that's not a good sign at all. Nice view of the Chao Phraya River, I believe that's how you see it. Super nice view of the city up here. My condo still wins the better view. But this is like where you take the ferry down the river and stuff. I'm probably gonna do this a different day. So I think I'm gonna go with this on the front menu, which he recommended. It's called Yuzo Xiao Wonton Ramen. Looks super good. Can I do this? And then one of these? Yes. Water? Yes. So I wonder if they just bring that on or what? Oh god, I forgot about the chopsticks. I'm a rookie with the chopsticks. I'm a rookie. These are nice ones, those super nice ones. Very nice, like black. I mean, I'm decent with it, but I'm just not comfortable. But I'm gonna have to rock it. I'll go for it. Make a play. But this place, I was gonna go to this place. There's one called Cam's Roast Lady right over there, and the only difference is that one said it has a Michelin star, but it's also rated like a 3.5, and this one's rated at like 4.7 with more reviews. So I think this one's a better deal, and traditional ramen is always good. So that's pretty cool how they brought that out. She poured it for me and everything, so that's pretty cool. Comes out like bottled. So yeah, this place seems like, I put the bendy straw in upside down. One thing that I love out here is the bendy straws. They have them everywhere. You always get a bendy straw. That's some premium water after walking around for like 2 hours in the pure heat. I guess in here it's not bad though, because there's AC, but there's a few spots where it's not. But so far, it's got like this nice wood coaster. Seems very nice, very high end. I'm just gonna be scared to use those chopsticks, but hopefully I'm good today. I don't know if it's like basketball where you can be on and off, but hopefully I'm on. Alright, so we'll start with the pork bun. Looks really good. That's super good. Wow, that might be like top 2 things I've had since I've been here. The pork's got like almost this really nice sweet flavor to it, and then the bun just like complements that really well. Yeah, that's super good. Honestly, I wouldn't have been mad with just a couple of those buns. The flavor is very good. And the dough is like, I don't know what type of like bun it is, but it's so nice. And I think they put a little teriyaki sauce on there and something else. Wow, that's really good. So in this, there's like wontons, some pork, and then some other meat. And then of course like the half egg. Let's try the broth. Good broth. Now let's try a wonton with it. Very good. Let's do an official taste test after trying chopsticks for too long. Very good. Hopefully the audio is good, but that is it for today's vlog, vlog number 2. We went to both 2 of the mega malls, M-Sphere and ICONSIAM, and both of them were very big. I didn't get to film everything because I would have like 8 hours of content if I did. So super happy with the day and ate some great food along the way. Now we're just gonna get a grab back to the condo and we're off. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next video.